Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll sign into YouTube and pick the audio source now. This gives access to your saved playlists and library. Once signed, search for the song, playlist, or audio-only upload and queue it. Make sure to disable autoplay so the next track doesn't hijack your session. If using a browser, open in a dedicated tab. If using the mobile app, enable any background playback options you have. This reduces interruptions and prepares playback controls for the next steps. Now configure continuous background play. On desktop, right-click the video for picture-in-picture or keep the tab playing while you switch apps. On mobile, use YouTube Premium or the method your device allows for background audio. This keeps sound when the screen locks. Connect Bluetooth speakers or wired headphones to reduce drops and increase battery efficiency. Once connected, adjust volume and equalizer on your device. Make sure the phone's battery saver isn't closing background apps, so playback remains steady. Finish by creating a dedicated playlist for frequent audio so you can play it quickly next time. Use repeat or playback speed to tailor listening. Repeat single tracks for podcasts or lectures. Once done, pin the tab or app for easier access and confirm lock screen controls show play/pause. If audio stops unexpectedly, check battery saver, background app permissions, and network strength. Reconnect Bluetooth and restart the app if needed. These steps close the loop and keep YouTube functioning as a reliable audio player.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.